In this case, the petitioner challenges the order IA allowing order 1 rule 8 filed by the plaintiff in the original suit after 20 years from the date of institution of the suit. Initially, the case was filed by 3 plaintiffs and seeking the relief for additional pension for those who have retired between 1997 to 2002. The case was heard and finally reserved for judgment in the year 2018. Then, because the presiding officer was transferred, then again the case was posted for arguments.
That's all right. Wait. When did you retire, sir? Huh? When did you retire?
Myself. We have retired in the year 2002.
Are you a pension optee?
Yes, pension optee.
When did you opt
And
for, when did you all opt for pension?
before the while in service.
While in service, aito. Second option for pension or the first
No,
option?
no, it is not second option.
When did you opt, sir?
I have opted for this when I was in service itself in the beginning in 1996.
29/10/1993 is the settlement.
Yes,
All right. 29/9/1995 is the regulation.
regulation.
26/1/1996 was the last date to opt.
Yes, at
When
that-
have you opted?
I have opted in 1996.
All right. Now what is the problem?
And all the problem here is all the employees have retired under voluntary retirement scheme formulated by the bank.
All right.
And we have all retired, and our pension, we are drawing the pension also.
All right.
But
Now,
while making the payment to the, pension to me, there are certain, as per the VRS scheme, the management has agreed and offered to grant pension as per Pension Regulation Act,
act regulations.
pension regulation. And
Regulations 1995.
29, yes. But while giving me this paying the actual pension, they did not include 29.5, that is 5 years of notional
5 years
service.
additional qualifying service. All right.
And then dearness relief as on the date of my retirement.
Mm.
And then 10 months average pay,
Mm.
that was not paid to me.
Mm.
And they made that, as far as the dearness allowance is concerned, they have brought some, they have paid on their circulars, which were amended subsequently in 2006 and 14.
What is your prayer before the
The prayer is all the 5 benefits as per 29.5.
now what is the why are you here?
Initially, the case was filed by the 3 plaintiffs individually.
All right.
Now, in the petitioner bank, there are 770 employees who have retired during the period 1997 to 2002.
Mm.
We have been paying the pension. The only issue is there was a settlement at the industry level at the IBA stating that those who have retired between 1997 to 2002, their salary is different from those who are serving. Based on that, he is challenging the additional pension. The difference for those who have retired, the basic pay, the wages are different. Those who have in service, the base, that was the settlement arrived by the IBA.
No. Where is your voluntary retirement scheme? Settlement is not arrived at by the IBA. IBA is a party to the settlement. That's all.
On behalf of all the banks?
The Indian Banks Association represents all the banks,
Yes, my lord.
whether they are nationalized banks or the
Private sector.
private banks, whatever. Indian Banks Association represents it. Now, Indian Banks Association, you all drew up a scheme for pension. And again, later in 2001, a scheme for voluntary retirement.
That is our scheme.
That is your scheme, correct? That in terms of your scheme, these people have retired. If your regulation, pension regulation, which is common to all and you also.
We have
If you
drafted our own scheme, sorry.
Correct, sir.
It
That's
is not a
that is
statute.
not all right. That's not different from the other schemes.
Yes.
If you go to subclause 5 of section 29, which deals with voluntary retirement, it has 5 years addition to qualifying service. If you complete 30 years of service,
20
subject to
years.
maximum of 33
33
years of service.
Correct.
Correct. Then if they are entitled to, they are entitled to.
No, now they want this after 20 years,
Mm.
all these, they want to save from the limitation point of view also. Those are
What limitation?
because they have not filed the case earlier. They can join as co-plaintiffs, not in the representative capacity binding all.
Hmm. Now, what is under challenge here?
No, that the permission to give,
What permission?
the court has permitted to sue the case in a representative capacity. There is no sameness of interest.
Comprehensive suit court.
A representative suit.
Representative
It will be binding on all. Because they can join as a co-plaintiff. I have no objection for that one. That is, and after 20 years, the matter is reserved for the judgment.
Hmm.
Then he amends the plaint.
Hmm.
That-
That's the plaint, that is permitted.
Yeah, that is permitted. Now, in 2024, he files an application. I raised the objection in the initial stage itself. After 20 years, he can't come with the plea that it should be converted to representative capacity and should apply to all.
As far as we are concerned,
There is, my submission is there, these employees retired during the year 97 to 2002. Each individual will get different quantum of pension difference, and some employees will not have 5 years of service because
What 5 years of service?
additional service, notional service.
That is up to,
Ah,
cap
indi-
is 33 years. Sir.
Yes. And
Cap is 33 years under regulation.
The remain-
Regulation 25 or 29.5 also
29.5.
mandates that the 5 years qualifying service would be increased only if it does not cross 33 years.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಈಗ 31 years ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 5 ವರ್ಷ ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, 2 ವರ್ಷ
ಈಗ
ಕೊಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
20 ವರ್ಷ
Yes,
ಅವರಿಗೆ
that's all.
ರೆಸ್ಟ್
ಈಗ
ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಕೂಡ 5 ವರ್ಷ.
28 ವರ್ಷ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಟೈರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ 5 years 33 ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಅದೇ.
ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್
30 ಇದ್ರೆ ಎರಡೇ ಕೊಡೋದು.
ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಸ್ 33
30.
ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
Then that's in
All covered by Supreme Court judgments.
that is not, but representative
That
capacity
we will answer, no problem.
at the fag end of this case,
Statutory rights.
my submission is that there is no sameness of interest in the case.
Why
Because
all of them are not retired persons?
retired person, their cause of action date also may vary. Because those who are retired between 97 to, he has stated in the plaint, they have retired on such date. I will read that cause of action as arose.
Hmm.
It is at page number 37.
Where is the impugned order?
Impugned order is annexure F. Apart from this plaintiff association claims it is registered in Chennai and represents all retirees of all banks.
There are some of them who have retired here.
But the plaintiff,
Where is the association?
this is not an,
That is the objection that you have taken?
I have taken in the written statement.
We'll see. We'll answer all of them. Next
I
Friday.
can argue additional points.
Huh?
Additional points argue ಮಾಡಬಹುದಲ್ಲ?
Oh, ಮಾಡಿ. We'll see.
Dictation ಅಂತ.
Dictation, no, I won't post it as for dictating orders. It will come, yes.